Hi, I'm Roy from Drone School UK, and this is my video about the Neo 2 and gesture control. And it's all about your palm. If you put your palm towards the drone, and that triggers the drone. You can see the blue light now on the front showing that it's picked me up, and then I can move the drone to the left or to the right using my palm. I can put my other palm up and do the same. And if I put two palms up together and pull them apart, the drone goes away from me. If I push them together, the drone comes towards me. Away, towards. And then to come out of gesture control, you make your fist and pull your hands down.
Follow mode is selected, as you can see. And as I put my hand up now, pull my hand down, the drone descends, push it back up, the drone goes up. Use the other hand, the drone goes up. Pull the hand to my right and the drone comes to the right or to the left as you see it here. This is a view from behind the drone, and I'm going to pull my hands up, which takes the drone up in the air. Pull the drone to the right, which pulls it to the right, but you've got to be very gentle with it. Let's go to the left. And let me pull it back up again. Now I'm going to pull it to my left and then pull it back to the right and then lift it up and pull it back to the left and use my other hand to go to the left. Just got to be very gentle with the movement. As you can see here. Now if I put my hands together and then pull them apart, the drone goes backwards. Push them together, the drone comes towards me. Push my hand up and the drone goes up. Push them, pull my hand to the right, use my other hand to the right, pull my hand to the right again, and then pull my hands down together, and that switches it off. It's now working on follow me mode. So if I walk away from it, it follows me backwards. If I walk towards it, it moves away from me. If I put my hand out, it'll land on my palm. Let's look at gesture control in spotlight mode now. So I'll walk away from it, come over here, and turn towards it and put my hand up and pull my hand upwards and the drone rises. I now walk around and the drone will follow me in spotlight mode. If I now walk towards it, the camera turns down. I walk away. And if I put my hand up now and then pull my hand down, that'll lower the drone. If I put my hands together and pull them apart, the drone's going away from me, put them back together, and it comes back in closer towards me. If I now go outwards again with two hands, the drone will go away from me. And this is in spotlight mode. Put both hands down to switch off gesture control. Here is gesture control working with Mastershots. You can see me raising my hand now, pulling it to my right, pulling it to my left, pushing it up, pushing it down, pushing it to my right. So you can see it works on Mastershots as well. And then if I put my hand out now,
returning to palm,
I can hand land it straight onto my hand.
Landing.
Hope this hand gesture video has been useful. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to the channel. Happy flying. Bye for now.